Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to change your default Gmail account in Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. It's actually pretty easy once you know where everything is. Yeah, let's jump right in. All right, so the first thing you need to do is sign out of every Gmail account you're currently logged into. Just click your profile picture in the top right, choose Sign Out of All Accounts, and wait a moment. After you sign out, close the browser completely. Yeah, I know it sounds simple, but this resets the session so Gmail can pick the new default account properly. Now open the browser again, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whatever you're using. We're starting fresh, so Gmail won't remember anything from before. Go to gmail.com, and this time, sign in with the account you want to make your default. This first account you log into becomes the default automatically. Google kind of decides that for you. Once the default account is set, you can add your other Gmail accounts. Just click the profile icon again, hit Add Another Account, and sign in like normal. To double check everything, click your profile picture again. The account shown at the very top is your new default Gmail account. And yeah, your browser will use that one first for every Google service. And that's it. You just changed your default Gmail account in Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Super simple, right? If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and yeah, hit the bell so you don't miss the next guide.